Alright, here we go. How's it going, Ecomi community? It is OhmDawg here coming at you with another price action update, and today we got something a little special for you. But before we get into anything, I'm going to go ahead and throw up the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I'm not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information today. So, alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. So, from where we have left off, we have seen price fall basically from this area, and then we mentioned the break of structure here on the lower time frames, and then the retracement right here, and then the market actually tagged a little bit higher before it ultimately broke these lows right here on the 5-minute to 15-minute. Recently, today, actually, I've been keeping an eye on this. I've just been watching price accumulate on this trend line, and then price break through. So now we're seeing how we're going to react through this area. But the importance of this video today is not within the OMI USDT trading pair, but rather we're going to switch over to the OMI Ethereum trading pair, and I just want to point something out within price on these two charts. So this is the OMI Ethereum pair. Obviously, when we see market going down, that is Ethereum gaining value over OMI, and when we see or strength or value, and then when we see the green or market going up, that's OMI gaining strength over Ethereum within that time. So right now we can obviously say it's safe to say Ethereum is stronger than OMI at the current time. I don't know why I haven't pulled this chart up for you guys yet, but I apologize, I haven't. But there's a lot of information here that we could use in order to determine where the market could go. So looking at this, we're on the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna go and peep back over to the US dollar tether and look at the 4-hour as well. Look how similar price action looks. Actually, let's look how similar they both look to each other in terms of where price currently is at. It looks relatively similar, and if we want to talk about market structure, we could say that this relative area right here of lows and liquidity is practically this same area right here on the OMI to Ethereum trading pair. And what is significant about that right now is the OMI Ethereum pairs it's breaking down. This is bearish price action. It is breaking lows, and it's already done that. But what hasn't done that yet? OMI US dollar tether. And what have we been waiting on basically since the start of this channel is that basically since we started the channel around this area in price, we've been ultimately looking for that markdown in price over time. And what hasn't happened here is relatively happening here, is what I'm getting at. We're seeing price, these two pairs obviously correlate, and when we see price diverge like this, something's going to happen soon. And with the founders token news happening just recently, ultimately this is the result of this. Also, people were expecting a major drop in price. That's completely unrealistic, because yes, all those tokens are being dumped, but we also want to see the market move healthily as well. We don't want to see next video I'll get into a healthy market versus a unhealthy market, but or a healthy market or healthy price action versus unhealthy price action. But for now, we're seeing a healthy markdown in price in terms of it reacting to the news instead of price just falling through the floor. And y'all know exactly what that means. When it's fast, it don't last. When it's slow, it grows. So, yeah, that is what I wanted to really go over today, is just how price is currently looking together with the OMI US dollar trading. Oh, I'm sorry, these Brave, y'all know how Brave is if you have it. Anyway, OMI US dollar trading pair, OMI Ethereum trading pair. It basically, it is telling us stuff. It is telling us what it's going to do next. And we're using essentially multiple charts to gauge that. And I think I could go to that wrapped OMI to wrapped Ethereum pair, and it'd be relatively the same as this. We're getting that break of structure, and I can I don't know, I think we're technically in for it in terms of the downside. Until, like I say, we're proven otherwise, until market just wants to, go like that, then we're going to remain relatively to the downside. But like I always say, we want to keep our options open of what could happen, but we do just want to point out lower time frame targets as well, which seems more, in essence, which area is more profitable? Is it more profitable for the market makers to send the market up now, or is it more profitable to send the market down now? So that's how I'm looking at the market. Personally, I see more liquid targets to the downside as of now, as we've seen the market has been grabbing to the upside already. So if we do see any other upside quick movements that end up ultimately closing below these lows, that's that's a grab up into this right here. But in terms of healthy price action, we could see like a little retracement like this. We'd want to see it close lower than this low right here, and then price start to break down. What we love to see. Just price breaking all down. Anyway, yeah, so that's basically all we're going to go over today. Y'all drop a comment if y'all want me to drop a review of Donkey Gooch's review of Cavill Anderson's review of Poor Man Printing's review of the Rise interview. I will do that because there is a perfect in Donkey's video, there's a perfect spot for where I put my video, so I might as well do that. We'll see. I think it's perfect, but I don't even know if I'm notable enough in the community to do that, but we'll see. I might do it anyway, so I'm coming for you. Alright, well, with that being said, guys, we are going to go ahead and sign off. I did forget to mention the time. It is 3:43 a.m. Thursday, August 12th, 2021. But yep, it is OhmDawg. I've finished up a video for you guys today, and we will see y'all in the next one. With that being said, peace.
I ain't innocent, my bad. Ain't paid the cost, see they just watch me, they copy my swag. Say I fell off, that's where you lost me. How's that when my name is in my upholstery? I'm rolling up and going places across seas, hoping the neighbors don't smell the shit I bake. And every day I'm on another plane, I hardly sleep, but hey, I wouldn't have it any other way. Now there we go. You holding on to where we smoke it all today. Now there we go. There we go. I wake up and I wake up, get my things and catch a plane, but I'll be back again. Back again. I wake up and I wake up, get my things and catch a plane, but I'll be back again. Back again. So much money that when I pull up, hop out and walk in, the bank teller look at me funny. Know how much I get, know I'm